Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Concerned Niger Deltans have called on the federal government to strengthen the fight against brazen crude oil theft in the country. This follows the repatriation last week of MT Heroic Idun, a large vessel which reportedly evaded arrest in Nigeria 3 months ago, and its crew members, who are suspected oil thieves from abroad.
Following 3 months of intense negotiations between Nigeria and Equatorial Guinea, MT Heroic Idun and its crew members were released to the Nigerian Navy at the Malabo port on the 6th of November 2022. After many days at sea, MT Heroic Idun and its crew members were back in Nigeria to face justice. On the 8th of August this year, MT Heroic Idun was intercepted at the Akpo oil terminal for attempting to load crude without an operating license. The vessel was asked to accompany NNS Gongola for further interrogation at the Bonny anchorage. In a desperate attempt to evade arrest, the vessel reportedly engaged in full speed southwards and anchored at Bioko Island in Equatorial Guinea, where it was arrested on the 12th of August for violating the maritime laws of Equatorial Guinea. The transfer of MT Heroic Idun to the Nigerian Navy was facilitated under Yaoundé Code of Conduct, to which Nigeria and Equatorial Guinea are signatories. On arrival in Nigeria, 27 crew members of the vessel were arraigned before a federal high court sitting in Port Harcourt on 5-count charges, including attempting to lift crude illegally and entering a restricted zone around an oil field without authorization. The court had ordered the detention of all 27 crew members for alleged oil thefts. The vessel's captain, Danuj Mekhtar, an Indian national who addressed reporters in Port Harcourt, said he refused to cooperate with officers of the Nigerian Navy at the point of arrest on the 8th of August based on directives from higher authorities.
The documents which were supposed to be filed by the ship's agents, so there was some misunderstanding relating to the documents, and in the night we had an incident with a vessel which at that point of time we did not know is the Nigerian Navy, and as I was guided by my higher authorities and my owners and company, we managed to take all actions as was advised by them.
When asked to identify those he referred to as higher authorities, Captain Mekhtar declined to speak further.
I won't answer any further questions, please.
In the month of May, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company (NNPC) Limited disclosed that the country lost an estimated 3 trillion naira to oil theft between 2016 and 2020. All along, concerned Nigerians like Honorable Dunamene Deko, House Committee Chairman on Host Communities, had attributed massive oil theft to international conspiracy.
There's a cartel, and those who are high up there are involved, because you can't move a vessel into our waters without some of these vessels being noticed. And I think until we have the political will to deal with this issue, we will just be dancing around it.
The crew members of MT Heroic Idun are nationals of India, Poland, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. In the meantime, the court sitting in Port Harcourt has ordered the detention of MT Heroic Idun and its crew members. The suspected oil thieves are to reappear in court on the 10th of January 2023 for further hearing in the criminal case. For Comrade Dunamene Fineface, Executive Director, Youth Advocacy Center, security lapses have continued to give oil thieves a field day in Nigeria.
An attempt to arrest the same vessel at the Akpo oil field area was thwarted and it wasn't successful. Another country, a small Equatorial Guinea, was able to arrest the same vessel. That is to say, like the crew leader said, that they were taking orders from their superior. It's a clear indication that those orders were coming for them not to be arrested, and that is why they could not be arrested in Nigeria. So to a very large extent, the Nigeria security architecture is culpable allegedly in this particular incident. So I think the government needs to step up its measures, strengthen security, strengthen partnership within Nigeria and other countries in the Gulf of Guinea.
Inside the Niger Delta,